Is your Galaxy M47 stuck on the logo or black screen? Let's fix it. Is your phone acting up? It's usually caused by a software crash, a bad update, or a failing battery. Let's find out how to fix it. To force restart your phone, press and hold the volume down and power buttons together. Keep holding them down and do not let go even if the screen stays completely black like this. Step 2. We need to confirm the phone is charging. Nothing is showing up on the screen yet. Let us check the cable and the adapter. Now, let's try booting in safe mode. First, press and hold the power button. When the logo appears, hold volume down. This disables third-party apps temporarily. And there it is, safe mode in the corner. Step 4, we need to wipe the cache partition. Use the volume buttons to scroll down. Now press the power button to select it. If your Samsung update gets interrupted, it can actually cause a complete boot failure. So always make sure you're connected to power. Now we'll select Factory Reset. Remember, this deletes everything, so back up first. Now it's time for step 7. Just plug the cable into your phone. The Smart Switch software will detect it, and you're ready to proceed. Next, carefully inspect the hardware for damage. Look closely for any swelling. Check the charging port for debris. Ensure that the battery isn't swollen. If you've tried all of these steps and your device is still having issues, it might be time to visit the pros. Welcome back to another repair guide. Today, we are fixing the screen on this phone. Remember to subscribe for more guides.